Meet the Supertec Planotec column-type surface grinder. Designed for large workpieces, the Planotec delivers outstanding rigidity and consistently accurate results. A precision ball screw and AC servo motor drive the downfeed axis, ensuring excellent accuracy and repeatability. A double V guideway worktable and Boxway structure provide smooth movement and long-term durability. With a PLC control system and color touchscreen, operation is simple and efficient. Supertec Planotec Series: precision, stability, and performance, built for modern grinding.